Greetings RC fans, Sharky here and welcome back to Sharky's Garage for another unboxing and first run, first review. This time we've got the Q137 8-wheel drive amphibious vehicle. I purchased mine from AliExpress with two batteries, paid $33.81 plus free carriage. The single battery version on AliExpress is £30.59. You can also find this on Banggood with one battery for £33.74. So hence why I got the better deal. I got two batteries and got it from AliExpress. There are two colour variants. The one I've got, which is the yellow one, and the other one, which is the black one. So before we get actually into the full video, don't forget to do the usual things, like, comment and subscribe. This came from AliExpress. I have opened it up, I have charged the batteries. But this is how it came inside. Essentially a bin bag. It's got a polystyrene box. I'm going to lift the angle up so you can get a better look at it. Inside. Oh no, I didn't get the yellow one. I got the black one. I forgot. It's been a while. So there's the two batteries. These are lithium ion 900 mAh packs. There's two of those. They're on the new JST 4-pin things, but one of these is just a loop. They've changed something with the regulations and they can't do the 2-pin and the balance lead that we had previously. The remote I need to go and find some batteries for, and a screwdriver to take the screw out the back of here, but I believe is 2AA. It's skid steer and non-proportional, but yeah, it's a bit clunky. So we'll get to that in a second. The instructions, well, yeah, there's a page of them. English one side, Chinese or Japanese the other side. And then we've got the vehicle itself, which, oh, and mustn't forget the all-important charger, because it's got this strange 4-lead on it. It does come with a screwdriver in the package, so I'll use that in a second. Let's put this out of the way and get it out of the carrier bag it came in. But here it is. I thought this was pretty cool and something a bit different. So it's amphibious, it's a hard body. Be interesting to see. I'm going to take it out and do some water with it at some point. There's been some cool videos of it on various websites, but I haven't seen too much on YouTube about it. But I thought it'd be a bit different and something different for the channel. Yes, I will speed run it in a minute. The tyres feel quite soft. They've not got any foams or anything in them, although that one feels like it has. Maybe. No, I don't think they've got any foams. I think it's just air. It's quite detailed. The battery goes in the bottom here, and we take out these two screws, and there is actually a seal around this. There is a seal all the way around there, which these batteries slide up inside there. So yeah, I got these all charged up. Two AA batteries, and what it says here is pairing description. First time on the remote control. At this time the light flashes, then turn on the car. The controller light is off. It means the pairing is successful. Okay, so we'll get that done and come back to you. Right, all batteries are installed. We can see that we've got light on there. So then on here we have got an on-off. That is on there. That's flashing. Why is that? Now that's gone off. The middle bit here is the switch. So that's all paired and done. Now on the controller, you've got forwards, backwards, left, right, so not proportional. This could be a lot of fun. It's quite noisy. I am going to speed run this. I have got Sky GSM meter, which I'm going to attach to the top. But before we do that, I'm going to run it on the floor in here. But I'll switch to the GoPro to run that kind of footage. And we will do the usual climb test with it as well. That's using forward and it doesn't like the forward and steer at the same time. It likes the spin on the spot. It seems to then brake put brakes on the middle wheels. This looks a lot of fun. Going to take it outside and see how we get on there. Shouldn't need too long a distance to get the things on it, but I'm going to do a bit of playing around with it as well. We'll get some speed run on it, and then we'll do a climb test, and I'll move the angle for that in a minute or two. So Sky RC thing is started. Flat out. As the sun isn't out so much, it makes it easier for doing this. So, stop, read 3 miles an hour. I will start it again and see how that goes and come back to you if it's any different. So that was 3 miles an hour on the speed run. We'll see how it goes and we'll try and get it running over here. I don't think we're going to get many jumps out of it, but we'll see. Flip it over. Yeah, it's easy to tip over. Managed to get it on its roof that time. Move camera angle in a moment. Handling the gravel really well. So, climb test. Starting off 1 inch, which I shouldn't see as a problem. Cool. Let's move it across and line it up with the 2 inch. Two inches, okay. Now 3 inch. Does that okay. 4 inch. Does that okay. Will it do 5 inches? So this is the 5 inch mark it's on now. Yes. Wow. So 5 7/8 is the top mark we've got on here. Let's line that up with that and see if it can do it. Ooh, not quite. Let's try coming this side of the mark. Can't quite pull itself across that way. And double it back using this side mark. No. So it doesn't do the 5 on that wheel. Let's see about the 4. Yeah. So I don't think it's quite as okay. I mean, it did the 5 there, so yeah. I think it needs a bit of run up at partial jump. It's in reverse. That's cool. Let's have a better look of it running across the gravel. So this seems to be quite a good ultra vehicle, and with the water feature, which we'll test in another video, I think it'll be a lot of fun. So in that second run area we got 4 miles an hour, so the confirmed speed there is 4 miles an hour. Now, I think this thing is a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to taking it and see what it's like in the water, testing all of that. I'm going to run this battery pack through and out now, but for the money, you know, £33 with 2 batteries delivered, I think this is an awful lot of fun, and I think this will be a great Christmas present for somebody. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to do the usual things, and we'll catch you all again next time. Right guys, this is something I don't normally do, but this thing is so good. After I finished filming the episode, I had to play around with it outside, inside, running it over door jambs, up through and over double glazed doors. This thing is awesome. I recommend that you get one of these for any of your RC fans for Christmas, whether they're youngsters or whether they are more mature alike. It is so much fun. I do recommend getting the 2 battery version from AliExpress. This was $33.81 from AliExpress. On Banggood they put it down as a Q137. It's 8-wheel drive, 2.4 gigahertz, 7.4 volt, 900 milliamp hour lithium ion. I haven't gone through one battery yet. I've still got another one to go through. So I do wholeheartedly recommend you picking one of these up for people as Christmas gifts. There are 2 colours, the black and the yellow, and I think you will not regret it and you will have a lot of fun.